Thank you for joining me. It's Emma from Learning Plus. We're an adult skills charity in Ambleside. This is our second video on Zoom basic skills, and we're just looking at joining a meeting in this video. We're going to look at joining a meeting using a link as well as using the ID and passcode. And we're going to look at that using a computer as well as using a smartphone. So let's go. So here we have a typical invitation to a Zoom meeting, and it contains a link to the meeting and a meeting ID and passcode. So on the computer, we're just going to click on the link that is here, and that will give us access to the meeting, and we'll show using the meeting ID and passcode in a following on. So I'm going to join the Zoom meeting by clicking the link in the email from my PC. So the link is here. When I click on that, it's going to open my internet program and then the Zoom client, which is already downloaded on my computer. If you haven't got that and you'd like to be able to download that and you want some help, then do see our video that shows you how to download the Zoom client. Let's see what happens when we click this. So it has automatically found the client and opened the video. If it hadn't done that, if I move that out of the way, then on the browser it might bring up a box here that says Open Zoom Meetings as per the instructions on the screen. And if it doesn't, then you can also click Launch Meeting here. Anyway, we are in. So my screen is open. If I want it to be the only thing on the screen, then I can click this box here, which will make it full screen. So on a mobile phone, we've got the same email open. So we're going to click on the link here, and it's going to open up the screen. We need to tap Call over Internet here to allow the sound to start. And other than that, we are in the call. We also needed to just click on the video camera here to start the video camera. And now we can see we're in the call with the other person. So this is us and this is the other person on screen. We're on the following video to this one. You can see how to control what view you've got and how to change whether your camera's on and off and so on. And finally, we're going to look at doing and entering the passcode and the ID using a mobile phone. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so this is Sarah's phone, and Sarah's going to access the Zoom meeting by putting the ID and password in. So I'm just going to open Zoom, press join. Put in the meeting ID, which is usually 11 digits long. So then make sure the name's the one you want to be seen as.
So we're going to change that to be Sarah. Click join. And it's asking if we want to allow the camera to be on. If you want the video camera to be on, you have to click allow. And the same with the sound. If you want the sound to be on, you have to
click allow there. And again, you've got to tap call over internet for the sound to work. And that's enabled our video camera. So once we've clicked call over internet and turned our phone the other way so that the screen's the same way, then it is showing us as in the call. So that's the end of this video, and just to recap, you can join a meeting using a link or by using a meeting ID and passcode. You have to allow Zoom to use your audio and camera, and you have to confirm you want it to call over the internet connection. And that should mean you're in and it works well. We'll see you next time.